Why is vitamin B12 not found in plants or animals naturally? Imagine a vitamin that only certain tiny microorganisms can make. That's exactly what makes vitamin B12 so special among nutrients. It's not produced by plants or animals on their own. Instead, only bacteria and archaea, which are microscopic organisms, have the tools to create it. Animals get vitamin B12 indirectly. They eat foods that contain bacteria or have bacteria living inside them. For example, cows and sheep consume bacteria in their food or in their guts. These bacteria produce vitamin B12, which then accumulates in the animal's tissues, like their liver, muscles, milk, and eggs. That's why animal products are rich sources of vitamin B12. Plants, on the other hand, lack the genes and enzymes needed to make vitamin B12. They do not have the bacteria that produce it either. Without these bacteria, plants simply cannot produce or store vitamin B12 naturally. Some algae or fermented plant foods might contain small amounts of vitamin B12 because bacteria act during fermentation or grow symbiotically. But these sources are inconsistent and unreliable for meeting human needs. This is especially important for vegetarians and vegans. Since they do not eat animal products, they usually don't get enough vitamin B12 from their diet. That's why many relying on fortified foods like breakfast cereals, nutritional yeast, or take vitamin B12 supplements. Some edible algae, like dried purple laver or nari, can contain vitamin B12, but the amount varies and might not be enough for daily needs. Vitamin B12 is vital for nerve health, DNA creation, and red blood cell formation. Without enough of it, people can develop serious health issues. Because the body cannot produce vitamin B12 on its own, it depends entirely on what we eat or supplement. In summary, plants and animals don't naturally produce vitamin B12 because they lack the necessary bacteria and enzymes. Animals get it from bacteria in their diet or guts, while plants simply don't have the means to make or store it. That's why vegetarians and vegans need to find other sources to keep their vitamin B12 levels healthy.